Well, it is the busiest travel period of 2024, and maybe the busiest travel couple of days ever on record. We'll see. But people are going to be out, and a lot of us, especially in the Midwest, Central Plains, drive. Like me, if I'm taking I-80 to I-35, and then I'm headed north. Got family up north, so if you see me, go ahead and wave. I'll be like, then I'll wave back. But like and subscribe. That's going to help, and that way you know what's going on with not just Thanksgiving travel period, but any travel period. So that would be awesome. But we're going to go through a couple of models here. First, we're going to kind of go through the overview of like, will it rain, will it snow, cloud cover, all that kind of stuff over the next couple of days. Let me press the right button, and there you go. So Stormcast, here you go. Now, this is Wednesday morning. That precipitation right there will fade away quick. Watch. See how quickly it transitions to over just rain. But if you're out early Wednesday morning, keep that in mind. Maybe a snowflake, maybe a couple of raindrops. I don't think ice is going to be an issue. It's been almost too warm lately. But then that rain of I-70 over towards Kansas City, St. Louis. And then as we head into Thursday morning, not a whole lot going on. A lot of clear skies, maybe some snow showers towards Rapid City, up into the Dakotas and Montana. Wait a minute, what was that? A couple of flurries in north central, northeast Nebraska towards Sioux Falls. That's Thursday afternoon. That goes away quickly. We are going to look at a few models down the road, how much snow is expected, where, when, that kind of thing. So we'll get back to those snow potentials here in just a little bit. Now, as we head through Saturday morning, not a whole lot going on, maybe down here towards Wichita, Kansas City, up north into the Dakotas, but most of this area is pretty quiet until there. Swath of snow from Sioux Falls to Des Moines to St. Louis. I think St. Louis has the better chance. It could change over to a rain-snow mix as well. This is Saturday afternoon, and it quickly goes away. Notice, though, St. Louis continues to see a little snow through Saturday night, and then that's about it. So this is Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. So if you have travel plans on Sunday, probably pretty good. Okay, let's get to the snowfall potential. This is model number 1. Now, there's this model is the GFS model, and it's about the only one that has a really good chance for snow for central and eastern Nebraska Saturday morning. I'm just going to push the button, and there you go. So from Valentine to Beatrice, this is just one model saying a swath of snow, basically 1 to 2 inches, maybe a little more from Beatrice south and east. But you notice Norfolk, half an inch. Ord, Broken Bow, 1 inch to almost 2 inches. Grand Island, York, 2.5. Lincoln, around 2 inches. So that tells me 1 to 2 inches. Now, there's going to be dry air in place, so you could probably cut these numbers in half, if that. But it is a chance for snow. And if you have travel plans Saturday, keep an eye on this. This is going to be probably the biggest decent chance for snow for the travel holiday season. Now, again, this is just one potential, because watch what model 1.2, it does it too. But this is the same model. This is the GFS model, just kind of a different version of it. It's saying 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. Not quite as much. I would believe this a little bit more, but again, it's 1 inch or 2. That's it. But if you are traveling and you're going to be out and about, keep that in mind. Okay, so those are the 2 GFS models. Those are the 2 really long-range models, and they're the same model, just different versions. So let's go to a different model. This is the European model. Pressing button now. I mean, a skiff here, 1/10 of an inch there. This is all the way through Saturday night. Really doesn't have much. So what this tells me is when one model is saying pretty good chance for snow, another model is saying, then the models aren't in agreement, and it's really hard. You have to wait for another model to kind of chime in and say. So it's like 4 out of 5 dentists say that chewing this Trident gum is good for you. You need 4 out of 5 dentists. You need 4 out of 5 weather models before a meteorologist can go, I approve. So this is 1 out of 2. Let's see. Let's look at another one. This is a little different. See that real quick? This is a mid-range model. Those 2 other models didn't even pick up on this early morning, Wednesday morning swath of a 1/2 inch to 1 inch in southwest, south central Nebraska. So that's 1 out of 3 that says that snow is going to be a possibility. But how about that Saturday? Let's see. Friday night. There's Friday. Kind of. It is kind of showing it, but further north and way less. Further east, further north, and way less. So little bit of agreement there, just not so much as the amount and not so much as the positioning. But there's something. There's some energy that wants to come from northwest to southeast. Where is that going to set up? And how vigorous will it be? So model number 3, a little on the useful side. Not great, but it's trying. Model number 4 doesn't have anything. Look at that. So where are we at? We are looking at one model saying, and 2 versions of that one model saying 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches of snow Saturday. Another model saying something Wednesday morning. Another one saying maybe a little bit late Friday into Saturday, but mainly north and east. So we're kind of all over the place. So we've got to figure this out. Now it's only Tuesday that I'm recording this. It does look like we're going to have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So a solid 3 days before these models start to come into place a little more and a little more. And hopefully by Thursday, by Thanksgiving, we have a little bit better idea of exactly what is going to happen. So like and subscribe. I am going to my in-laws for Thanksgiving, but I will have my computer, and hopefully I can do another one of these by Thursday, and kind of give you an idea of what it looks like for Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. So that's something I will be watching very closely. So like and subscribe, that way you know when I do that, and you will have a better idea if you have travel plans, especially in the Midwest, Central Plains, that area, of what you should and what you shouldn't do. So appreciate you. I will have more updates, and if I don't, I'm going to try really hard. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Thanks again for subscribing. Thanks again for any likes. Leave a comment. If you have a question in any particular place, let me know. I'll try to answer it as quickly as I can. So thanks again. Bye.